guys, welcome back at my channel. Thank you so much for watching again. This is not a toy video, and usually when I have an item standing here it's a toy video, but this is not. This is a reveal of a boxer short. Yes, that is weird, I know, but it is actually a subscription boxer short. It's called On That Ass, that's the company, and if you subscribe then you receive one boxer short every month. And every month it's differently themed. So this time it's called Jax, and we can see a tattoo shop on the front. You receive these in the mail, and I think it's 9 or 10 euros a month. I'm not really sure. This is also not my subscription underpants because I don't wear boxer shorts. But my boyfriend does, and I like opening these up because they have really fun pictures on it. So this is this month, and on the back we can find some explanation about what's inside. As I said, this one is called Jax. Jax is a tribute to one of the most iconic tattoo styles ever. If you don't have any tattoos, this is the perfect opportunity to wear one on your ass. So put some wax in your hair if you have any. Roll up those sleeves and jump on that old school motorcycle. So that's it. And here at the tear strap it says, warning, this design makes you feel tough and confident. So awesome. I'm really excited to see what's in here. So let's open it up. Open up the tear strip. And here it is. As I said, it's a boxer short. That's cool. Oh, I love that. It really is tattoo-like, you know? Like some sort of Hawaiian pin-up girl with a skull face. And I also saw mom somewhere. Yeah, here. Like your classic sailor tattoo. A heart with mom. Good luck. Peace with an eagle. Some well, bluebirds or something. We have an 8-ball right there. Cool. Nice, huh? These. Well, I've heard that they're, because I don't wear them again, that these are really nice quality. With the stitching and stuff, and I do wash these, and you cannot put them in a dryer, but you can obviously put them in the washing machine and they come out perfectly. You just have to hang them up, because if you do put them in the dryer, the colors, well, they kind of get a little bit fake, so you have to keep that in mind. And there's this little card with it. Yeah, €5 discount. If you invite a friend, you can get €5 discount on your next boxer short. Alright, that's cool. Oh, and here's how you have to wash them. 30 degrees with color detergent, don't use bleach, low temperature ironing, and don't tumble dry. Well, that's actually what I just said. We understand that you want to wear your new On That Ass boxer short every day, but he also needs to be washed once in between. At least that's what we recommend. You can preserve the colors and quality as long as possible by following our washing instructions. I think that the way they put it on, the lyrics, you know, that's really funny. So this is what the one for this month. I think these are $9.99 each month. And it's also, every month it's a print that is as busy as this one. So lots of colors and like a busy scene. And here you can see On That Ass has printed on it. And this is already the end of our very short video about boxer shorts. I hope you liked it. I really like these shorts. Good quality and a nice print on it. On That Ass. So check out their website. Oh, just want to mention that this video is not sponsored. We just pay for the subscription, and I like it, so that's why I'm shooting a video about it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like it, and leave this video a thumbs up. leave some comments. I love that too. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'm wishing you a great, big and beautiful tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye bye.